Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this brand new 72 plate 840i Grand Coupe BM with an Autowatch Go system. So as usual, if someone cloned this key, copied the key or stole it, got in the vehicle, went to drive it away, it would start up as if it was a normal vehicle, but as soon as they go to drive off by selecting a gear, the car switches off. For the customer to drive this, all they need to do, start the vehicle up, go through a push sequence that they can choose. For the video we've kept it simple at 1, 2, 3, 4. They receive a double flash from the indicators and now they can drive the vehicle. If the customer wants to change the code, obviously they want it to be more secure than what we've set. The way they do that is triple press of the start button on these new BMWs, gets the ignition on without starting the vehicle. Now we'll put the code in to prove that it's us. Get a double flash. Now put our foot to the floor on the accelerator, repeat our code again. When the indicators start to flash, we can release the accelerator. There we go. So now it's ready to learn a code. So we'll just change it to minus, plus, minus, plus. We'll get a triple flash. And then we just got to repeat that again. So minus, plus, minus, plus. We'll get a double flash to confirm that's the new code. There we go. So ignition off. That's the new code learnt. So now when they start it up, you'll see the old code of 4 presses won't do anything. So we'll give it a second. Then we'll put the new code in, minus, plus, minus, plus. Double flash. And it can be driven. There we go. Goes into gear, doesn't stall out. If the customer wants to take this back to BMW, they'll want to put it into service mode. And the way they do that, as before, triple flash without starting, code to prove that it's them, get a double flash. There we go, and on this vehicle, it's the traction button 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get 5 flashes. Here we go. And now you get a warning as well, just to tell you that the immobiliser's off. And the vehicle's in service mode. So now, no need for a code. When it goes to BMW, it's just a normal vehicle. They can road test it, service it, do what they need to. No need to treat it any differently to a normal car. When you get it back, you're going to want to turn it on again. And the way you do that, triple press, put your code in, get your double flash. There we go. Now it's protected again. If you want to get one of these fitted to your vehicle, this is the Autowatch Go 2. We're Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll secure your vehicle. Thanks for watching.